Okay, I'm out here at dawn while it's still a little bit dark out here, just to show off my full light kit for the Hobao. So let's get this started. Try to do this with one hand. It connects down here with this little spider web of wires. XT60 to XT60. See which way I gotta put this in. Yeah, I'm doing this with one hand. There we go. And it is bright. Wow. Yeah, so I got a little bit of stuff going on here. Red in the back. Whoa. That's even brightened me. That's really bright. Yeah, this is like a pink fuchsia something other with the white on the bumper. Yeah, the pink fuchsia is on the roof rack, which is kind of neat. So yeah, and then there's the CLB strips in the body, just to lighten up a bit. Well, all the mess that's going on in there. And yeah, all of these wires can be tied down and whatnot. So, yeah, the mess of cables that's leading to the battery. This light kit costs almost nothing. It really was that cheap. It does use a couple of components though, and you can find all of these on Amazon. Number one, the Eagle Eye LEDs. They're what, like 18 millimeters, something like that. You can use the 23 millimeters for the front, for the whites. The CLB strips, yeah, they're 17 centimeters. They come in 14 too, but the 17s are cheaper. Let's see, all the ESC extension leads that I use to wire up each light. Each light is modular, so if it goes out, I can easily replace each single light, and they all have their own connector, so it's really simple. And then the XT60 plugs for the wiring harness that leads to the battery, and the 2200 milliamp hour Avonix battery. I also use a smaller 1500 milliamp battery for the smaller cars, but big cars like this with a lot of batteries and stuff, but a lot of lights, I use the larger battery. And this battery also powers the fans that's on the motor here. Yeah, the two fans. Yeah, that leads to, yeah, this connector, which goes straight to the balance plug for the 2200 milliamp 3S 3S lipo that's down here. Yeah, the same one. Yeah, so light kits like this can easily be installed into any car. And the battery that you can use, it can be strapped down anywhere using the double-sided 3M Velcro that I love. Yeah, that stuff is awesome. I use that for ESCs, batteries, even the little what you call those things, the plug for the ESC, the on-off switch. Yeah, I use that for that too. So yeah, this little system is awesome. I mean, I've been doing this for a very long time. I can't deal with the little 5-volt like LEDs. Those things they're junk. They really are junk. Oh boy, compared to something like this that's bright as heck and can last as long as a lipo does and doesn't drain anything from the normal car's batteries and all that nonsense. Of course, you do have to have a large enough lipo to outlast your bash session. Yeah, 2200 milliamp is perfect for this, and I can run this thing for 30 minutes, and the lipo, even with the fans running and all the lights blaring, it'll still be at around what, 75 to 80% after 30 minutes. So it can run for a long time off of these batteries. Okay, so I just wanted to go over that and make this video short since it's very dreary out here. I mean, it's muck weather. But this is the last day of the muck weather we're gonna have for at least a week, so maybe I can actually get to running these beasts. Okay, so I'll leave it at that.